Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with LinkedIn not downloading messages on your PC, you're not alone. Many users have encountered this problem, especially after recent updates. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can follow to resolve this issue. Step 1. Ask the sender to resend the message. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. If you're unable to see a specific message, reach out to the sender and ask them to resend it. This can help eliminate any potential glitches that may have occurred during the initial sending process. Step 2. Refresh the LinkedIn web page. Refreshing the page can often solve temporary loading issues. To do this, click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action forces the page to reload and may help in displaying your messages correctly. Step 3. Close and reopen your browser. If refreshing doesn't work, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. This can clear out any temporary glitches that might be affecting LinkedIn's performance. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for LinkedIn to function properly. Click on the network icon in your notifications area to check your connection status. If you notice any issues, consider troubleshooting your network or reconnecting. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button again. Step 6. Clear your browser. Cache and cookies. Corrupted cache and cookies can lead to various issues, including problems with loading messages. To clear them, click on the 3 dots at the top right of your browser. Select Delete Browsing Data, and ensure all options are checked with the time range set to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear it out. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of LinkedIn not downloading messages on your PC after a new update. If problems persist after trying these solutions, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you get back to connecting seamlessly.